Labasan na ng mga macaroni salad recipes. So ang tanong, anong nilalagay nyo sa macaroni salad nyo? Hey friends! Paano kayo mag-celebrate ng Christmas? Pang second Christmas pa lang namin to as a married couple so medyo nangangapa pa kami. But we make sure lang that we spend some time with our families. And usually, it's a gathering sa bahay lang ng parents at syempre kanya-kanyang dala ng pagkain. But when it comes to potlucks, no need naman to stress because super dali lang gawin ng macaroni salad. Crowd pleaser pa. So here's my version. Cook the macaroni according to package instructions and rinse in cold water. Chop the red onion, although mas prefer ko ang celery kaya lang grabe ang mahal ngayon. For the cheese, kahit anong processed cheese block would do, I like grating my carrots para mas madali. And pineapple tidbits na lalo ko pang papaliitin para same size lahat more or less. You can use cooked ham or chicken. Nag-roast ako sa air fryer ng chicken for our lunch para magamit ko na din yung breast part for this. Time to assemble and don't forget the sweet pickle relish. Kahit ano pang sahog mo, I think pinaka-important